Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Let's draw and color a school bus. We're going to start with the wheels, big and round, just like the ones that help our school bus zoom down the road. We'll make sure they're nice and strong, so they can carry lots of happy kiddos. Now, let's draw the body of the bus. Look at that shape. It's kind of like a long rectangle with a little curve on top. It's going to be a big, comfy ride. Next, we'll add the windows. 1, 2, 3. These windows will let all the little passengers see the world go by while they're riding along. Time to add some colors. Let's make the body bright and sunny yellow, just like the color of a happy morning. Now, let's give the windows a cool blue tint, so it looks like they're reflecting the sky. And don't forget the headlights, they need to shine, so we'll make them a bright, bold red. We'll finish off with some fun touches. Our school bus is ready to pick up all the kiddos and take them on their next adventure. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos. Bye!